Hi everyone, Ido here from ET4EVs. Welcome again to episode number 4. And today we're going to look at replacing the light bulbs to a LED light bulb instead of the regular halogen that we have here today in the SV trim. I went to Amazon, bought a few sets. I'll just randomly try to see which one works best or is simplest to use. And there is what is this? Tech Max. I'll also show you a before and after to see how well or how good the lighting changes compared to the original light that I have here with the Nissan. Let's pop the hood. So here we go. I opened this cover, screwing it. Hopefully easy to pull it out. Drag out the actual light bulb, half turn. There we go. Here it is. And now let's replace it. Take this one out, the halogen. This one out. This one instead. Plug and play. This one is in. Back the cover. So this one is good. Now let's check it actually turns on. Same deal for the other one. Release the cover. There you go. Small turn for the cover. Guessing my way here. Half a turn for the bulb. Pops out. There we go. Only my hands weren't freezing. That would have been amazing. There we go. New one. Plug it in.